Today let me discuss third situation in respect of retirement of a partner, and the third situation is goodwill is raised or created to the extent of retired partner's share and is written off immediately. This is the third important situation in respect of a retirement of a partner. And today let me solve one problem, and the problem is going to be forwarded to you. Please go through the same. And the problem start like this. Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakaram were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Their balance sheet as on March 31st, 2018 was as follows. Balance sheet has been given and the total of the balance sheet is 2,85,000, and in the paragraph, Brijesh retired on March 31st, 2018 on the following terms. The first term is goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 60,000 and goodwill account to be raised to the extent of retiring partner's share and written off immediately. And second term is that bad debts amounting to rupees 2,000 were to be written off. And third thing is that patents were considered as useless. And in the para, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of Digvijay and Parakaram after Brijesh's retirement. So here first you are supposed to prepare the revaluation account, and the information relating to the preparation of the revaluation account is second term and the third term. Bad debts amounting to rupees 2,000 were written off, that is going to be recorded in revaluation account. And last thing is that patents were considered as valueless, that is also to be supposed to be recorded in a revaluation account. Now prepare the revaluation account. Now the format of revaluation account is ready. The second term is bad debts amounting to rupees 2,000 were to be written off. Bad debts is nothing but a loss, so that loss is going to be recorded at the debit side of your revaluation account. Amount is 2,000. And next thing is that patents were considered as valueless. And if you see the balance sheet which has been given, patents is a one of a important asset in a balance sheet, and the value of the patents was rupees 9,000. Now that asset is considered as valueless, that is why it is going to lose its value. Lose its value in the sense it is going to decrease in the value of the asset, that is why we are going to debit that much of amount to patents account. Okay. Now the items relating to preparation of the revaluation account are over. Now you can close the revaluation account, and if you see the balance, now this time debit balance is more. The same balance is going to be taken at a credit side. Total of the account will be 11,000. Now when debit is more, it is considered as a loss. That loss is going to be transferred to all the partners of the partnership firm by loss transferred to first partner is the Digvijay, second partner will be Brijesh, third partner will be Parakaram. Total loss will be 11,000 only. 11,000 into 2 by 5. 11,000 into 2 by 5. 11,000 into 1 by 5. And if you do the calculation, it will be 4,400, 4,400 and 2,200. That loss is going to be distributed among all the three partners in the ratio of 2:2:1, that is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 as well as the 1 by 5. Now you are supposed to prepare the partners capital account as well as the balance sheet on 31st March 2018. For that you can refer the next video.